Scraping some of Pears Transparent Soap to create a shaving lather. The scrapings are soft enough that you can form the bit that you shaved off into a ball, or form into any other bit that you want. Just to take a look at that. And that's about enough to put into a 1/8 teaspoon measure. And this you can press into the bottom of a shaving bowl. As flat as you want it to be, or as thin as you're able to make it. And I will stop filming while I continue building the ladder with more water. Okay, by now I've added a little bit more than 1 teaspoon of water while I continue to build the lather, and it can take more water, and this is fairly good lather for shaving purposes. One thing I also added was about 5 drops of glycerol.